Hey guys. Okay. So we're new to YouTube. Yeah.
This is our first video that's gonna go on YouTube.
Yeah, and it's the Kathy and Connie adventure. 'Cause we couldn't put an S.
Yeah, we couldn't add the S. I'm disappointed, but
yeah. And so this is our first video, and we're gonna see how it goes on YouTube.
And please excuse us laughing. We laugh for everything.
Yeah, this is our first time, so well, not really, but
we film a lot. But now that we know we're gonna go and put our videos on YouTube, we're really about it. And I laugh for like a lot. This right here laughs. But like basically, we're just because summer for us just started. Well, technically it doesn't start till Tuesday.
well,
but
technically it did already.
But we just choose to go to. We just gotta go to school for 2 more days. Basically, it's a weekend right now, but. We're just gonna film like randomness of our life and stuff and just silly stuff we do together and stuff.
We're gonna film Warped Tour.
Warped Tour! Oh, by the way, we're going to Warped Tour July 3rd. Woo!
Yeah.
And yeah, oh, and then you guys are gonna see right now our hairs are natural. We're gonna dye our hair.
Oh yeah, we're gonna dye it.
Hopefully on Thursday or Friday of next week.
Huckleberry blue and
raspberry babazzle or something, babazzle. And something like that.
Razzle tazzle.
Razzle-tazzle. But so like Connie said, it's Kitty Connie Adventure.
Kathy Connie.
Sorry, it's because we made a first account for like a day. It was Kitty and Connie, and it's because some people call me Kitty, but I like my name is Kathy. So by the way, I'm Kathy and this is Connie.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm Connie. We just watch House Bunny. You know, she goes. Oh wait, no, like Connie. Lacey. Oh, sorry. That's just some weird things of video. Maybe we should put that video. But so if you see videos, Lacey.
Yeah, so we're crazy.
Yeah, we're. Then we stopped it. By the way, this is crappy quality. This is on my iPod Touch. So. But yeah, so this is just pretty much weirdness. Our videos are just going to be weird, and we're really weird, just in case you haven't noticed yet from like Connie's random facial expressions pointing and my broken English and stuff, so yeah.
Look at this.
Look at that. Lacey. Lacey.
Okay, so
okay.
should we go now? Yeah, we're gonna go.
Alright then.
Hope you enjoy it.
I hope you subscribe. This is so weird. Like, but I feel like nobody's watching us. But hopefully one day people will. So
yeah, we're gonna try and make good videos.
So subscribe. Bye.